Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be unboxing Balenciaga's Triple S. Woo! I am so excited. I'm so happy that I finally have these shoes. Let me tell you, these shoes I think were like one of my dream shoes. Like sneaker wise, they were literally my dream shoes. The color, like the style, it's perfect, and I'm so happy that I finally was able to get them. I'll be unboxing and showing you my shoes, but I also just want to say that after I do all of that, I'm going to be staying behind and just like answering, I think, like frequently asked questions, I guess, and just questions that I had when I was buying the shoes. Obviously, these shoes are very expensive. Honestly, it's an investment at this point. I don't know. If you usually don't have that much money to spare, this is probably a very, very big purchase, like it is for me. I did research. I thought about it so much. It just hit all of the points for me, and I remember just researching, and I even had to call Balenciaga at one point because the place where I bought these shoes did not answer any like questions for me. I don't know, they just kind of sucked at that, so I did have to like call them, and I honestly wish that someone maybe could have just said all of this to me. Like, I did watch other people's videos of opening the shoes and stuff like that, but I just didn't really hear a lot of people talking about these things. I think it's so important to just research the items that you're buying because like it's a lot of money. So yeah, so if you want to kind of hear any tips or any questions that I'll be answering, then stay behind. All right, so, oh my gosh, it's literally so heavy. Oh, these are my shoes. Oh, I mean, it's a box. This is the box, and it is so beautiful. Well, I don't know. It's a box, like as good as a box can be. Oh, I did not think how I'm going to be showing you how I'm unboxing it. So I'm going to be unboxing it right now. So the first thing you see when you open it is the wonderful Balenciaga bag for the shoes. It is glorious. It is beautiful. It's so freaking cute. And actually, a funny thing about this is I was literally thinking, like, what if you can literally cut this like in a rectangle, and you can literally make a mask out of it, you know, during this COVID season, and you would have a real designer mask. Okay, so next thing is we have a bunch of paper. Oh my god. I did try on the shoes before making this video, just so that I know they fit me, because it's so pointless if I'm going to show you how they look on me and they don't fit me. That would be really embarrassing. So I did try it on. I did take off the tag because I took a picture of them and I didn't want the tag to be on. So yeah, it comes with this little thing that actually tells you that it is leather. So it tells you like where the leather is and like what fabric is on the shoes. Yeah, I don't know if you can see, but then we have this little thing. I think it just like talks about, I don't even know, is it a warranty? I don't know. Just kind of talks about how to take care of your shoes and stuff like that. Also comes with a spare of shoelaces. I also opened these up. They were very tightly like taped like this, and I did, because I tried them on the shoes, I didn't know which ones would look better, so I did open these up. Next thing are the shoes. Oh my god, these are beautiful. Okay, they are just so gorgeous. I just want you all to see how beautiful these shoes are in person. I am a size 38. This is what they look like. This is what the back looks like. These shoes are 60% polyester, 25% calfskin, and 15% lambskin, I think. So yes, these are beautiful. All right, this is what they look underneath. Gorgeous. Also, you might notice that these shoes are not actually like distressed or worn out. Those are the kind of shoes I really wanted. I'm honestly so happy that I ended up getting these kind of shoes, just because, I don't know, I didn't really like the worn out kind of look where they're a little dirty and stuff. I like that it's like more clean and it's like really black. So yeah, this is what they look like. And here's the second pair. And that's it. I am gonna keep all of the paper and stuff just in case I'm gonna maybe end up selling them one day. Okay, so these are the shoes. Oh, they're so beautiful. So here is kind of a little bit about the shoes and stuff like that. They are, first of all, extremely comfortable. These are probably one of the most comfortable shoes I've ever like worn. They're just so good, and I actually love the fact that, I don't know if you can see, they kind of spread out to the floor, so it's really actually hard to like move sideways on the ground and harder to break your ankle. I broke my ankle a couple of years ago, so honestly I still get like PTSD from like rolling my ankle over a little bit. So these shoes, you can't like roll your ankle or anything, and I love it. Oh my god, I just hit my knee and it hurts so bad because they're so heavy. All right, so these are also pretty heavy. I think I heard someone say that they're like 4 pounds together, I think, or something like that. I don't know. They are pretty heavy, but I love that. When I was picking shoes, I definitely took that into consideration. I like shoes that are more heavier. I don't know why. There's really no reason. So speaking numbers wise, I did buy them off of Saks Fifth Avenue, and they costed me in Canadian dollars 1,190 without like tax or anything, without any duties, just like their pure price, $1,190 Canadian. After adding the taxes, and I did have free shipping, it all ended plus the duties that I had to pay, it was around $1,500 Canadian. And I'm gonna like write down on the screen what's it in like American and stuff like that. If I would have bought them off of Balenciaga website, they literally would have been the same price. Also, another question I had was, when I was buying the shoes on Saks Fifth Avenue, they had like pink shoes, also the Triple S's, and they said like Triple S leather sneakers, and in the description it said leather upper. That was literally all it said. And then on these ones it said Triple S sneakers, so it didn't say leather, and then in the description it just said polyester upper. So I was really freaking confused, like really confused. And after calling, so I had to actually call Balenciaga, because after talking with Saks, they just would not give me an answer. They just didn't know. I don't know. They just kept repeating what was said on the website, and I was like, okay, like I get it, but I need to know what these are made from, because it was important for me to buy leather ones, just because if I'm spending that much money, like I want them to be leather, you know? Like, come on, even my Adidas shoes, like, are leather. Like, if I'm spending $1.50, like, they better be leather. So yeah, and then also on the Balenciaga website, they did have some shoes that were not leather. So it says, like, 100% not leather. So I'm guessing if you are, like, vegan and stuff like that, then it's pretty awesome because you don't have to buy the leather shoes. But after calling Balenciaga and telling them, like, my model of the shoes and stuff like that, they did tell me that these are leather, and the website that I bought them, like, Saks, just messed it up and stuff like that. But these are 60% polyester, and the polyester is basically, like, all of this stuff, like the fabric-y stuff. As you can see, it's just the fabric-y stuff, like, over here, the backing of it and stuff like that. And then the rims, so, like, this is leather, this is leather, and again, I think it's so 60% polyester, 25% calfskin, and 50% lambskin. Also, super important to know, these do fit bigger, so please, oh my god, I almost threw up right now. So please buy half a size down. They do not actually sell them half a size. So for instance, if you're an 8.5 like me, or a 38.5, I bought 38, and I'm pretty sure there's still like a centimeter like room in the shoe. So yeah, just in case you're wondering. Yeah, I'm not too sure, however, what to do if you're like a 38. I don't know if you're just gonna have to get a 37, but for sure they do run a little bigger, so if you get like your size, they will be bigger. These are all of the questions that I had when I was buying my shoes. So yeah, that's it. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you like this video. Subscribe, like this video, comment if you have any questions about the Balenciaga shoes. Maybe there's something I forgot to mention. Yeah, thanks for watching.